Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can I share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And the business be Nocciole, CornFlakes and chocolate chips cake. Me cake when I'm tasty and it tastes really nice. And no na year by year. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, that's it. What the 190-gram butter na Buro begu ade a obeye wo mu. The 180-gram sugar aka white one no. We are now use electric hand mixture then egg cream ni nyina. Who creamy we now the 3 eggs, but be separate egg white from the egg yolk. Into be use egg yolk no. And now they aka ho, no way creamy. What the 200-gram all-purpose flour egumu. That's Farina. 20-gram Fecola the patate and potato starch. Aka ho. 16-gram baking powder. One mixing together. Mix now the ram egumu. One mix when the sin check no a bit egg white no using electric hand mixture. Ubiti we na kwa egu o mixture na odi si in no. No one mixing now together. With the 50-gram Nocciole aka ho. 1/3 cup chocolate chips. One mixing now together. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are not going to prepare baking pie mo. What the cornflakes in the chola na gugu esro. What baking 180 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes no, na we ye fi oven ni mu. Wa manajo ansa na wa serve. Yep, macho sende di kan a share video. Remember to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. When me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one sabeka. Me a cake when I'm tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. And you can also add it to your Christmas menu. Now this our cornflakes, chocolate chips and Nocciole cake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.